there, that's the drop chicken, ready to go, right there, sparkling, seasoned very well, you can see. It's all about the ambience, it's all about the carnival. The fire truck is here as well, I'm not sure what's going on, the London fire truck, and right there is Forest Terrace. It's all happening, the smell, the ambience. Once again, this is Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Notting Hill Carnival 2023. It's all happening right here. And that's the jack chicken there, you see, beautiful, smelling very nice. And I'm not too sure if you see the fire brigade. And we're right at Police Terrace, W11, Notting Hill Carnival 2023.